Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 19th of April and the time is around 9:10 now. So today the market is opening 2.13% down. Okay, so you can see here 2.13% down is where the market is opening at 14,306. And yesterday in our market analysis video, we we have drawn the support and resistance level, and also I said there might be a chance of gap down also, and yesterday the gap down has happened. Okay, 14306 is where it is opening, and the support what you can see here for today is around 14,248. Okay, so that will be our support. Okay, so here it is, that is almost here is our new support for today, that is 14,250, somewhere around there. So even if that is breaking, then the nifty 50 will go highly down. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform today. So this is how the market is opening. So from here it might recover also. So the opening is around somewhere around here. Okay, so somewhere around here. Okay, 14300. So it might recover from here or it might go down also, depending on how the market will move. So we'll see. And now let's see the pre-open market, how it has opened. So market data, pre-open market. So here if you guys can see, only one stock in advance and 49 stocks in decline. So all the stocks almost in opening in a gap down manner and no unchanged stocks. So let's see the one gap up stock, that is Cipla with 0.77% up. That's a pharma industry. So now let's come to the stocks which are opening in the most gap down section. So all the stocks are opening in -2%, -3%. If you guys can see, almost all the stock. So the most gap down stock is Adani Ports with 5.36% down, Tata Motors with 4.84% down, Hero MotoCorp with 4.61% down. So yes, almost like 49 stocks are opening in the gap down section, as you guys saw. So yes, this is how the market is opening today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading and want to recover your losses from today, you can join my course. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, there is a offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, I've selected Bharti Airtel to trade. The movement was very quick. I just missed the level to short sell, so I'll just enter now to short sell. So yes, around 5 to 7.50, and we'll wait for it to go down now. So guys, yes, the right now the low is 5 to 4.15. So as you guys know, short sold at 5 to 7.50. So I will take a exit quickly now. Today, if you see, the market is very volatile. Okay, so yes, so the Nifty is also performing in the downtrend. So the support level which we draw today, even that got broke. Okay, that is 14,250, somewhere around there. Even that got broke, and the market might go down. So even the stocks are coming down, if you guys can see. Okay, so once the market start to go down, so all the stock will also come down. So guys, yes, I just took my exit. I just took my exit somewhere around 523.50, somewhere when it was coming down somewhere here. And you know, there's a lot of volatility, so that's why I plan to take my exit soon. Okay, and if you guys can see, even still it might go down, but for the safer side I took my exit. But actually I had it to short sell around 530 itself, but the movement was very quick. It was already near 527, so that's why I couldn't sell exactly at 530, if you guys can see. And yes, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Bharti Airtel. So if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.